I'm Kim Shaw and I teach patchwork classes around the country, and this is just a very simple technique for using perhaps charm packs that you've bought. You're really not quite sure what to do with them. They're a mixture of colours, different themes perhaps, and it's a way of using them up. So the piece that you're using is always a square cut in half. These pieces here for the kit that goes with this one are 3 inches by 1.5 inches. The bigger one behind you is 5 inches by 2.5 inches. Sometimes if you're cutting from a 5-inch square, you have strips left that you can actually make a nice border with.